Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 11. Act 1, scene 2 is going on. Today it will be completed, I think so. So pay your attention here. Line number 550. The speech of Prospero. Prospero says, "Silence! One word more shall make me chide thee." Prospero is pretending to rebuke his daughter Miranda, and he says, "Silence, one word shall make me chide thee." Chide, scold, if not hate thee. Be silent. One more word and I will severely rebuke you. If you will say one more word for Ferdinand, I will severely rebuke you, if not hate you. I cannot hate you, my daughter, but I can rebuke you. What? An advocate for an impostor? Hush! Thou thinkest there is no more such shapes as he, having seen but him and Caliban. He says, "What? You are trying to defend an impostor? What? What are you doing? You are just trying to defend an impostor." Impostor means someone who attempts to deceive by using an assumed name or identity. Assumed name or identity, not from the real name. Silence, he says. Hush. Silence. You think that there are no more human beings like him because you have only seen him and Caliban. There are so many men here. You think only he is handsome. No, because you have seen only Ferdinand and Caliban. Therefore, you cannot make a difference. You cannot differentiate between Ferdinand and Caliban. One is handsome and one is very ugly. Foolish girl, he says. Foolish wench. To the most of men, this is a Caliban, and they to him are angels. He says, "Foolish girl, when compared to other men, he is as hateful as Caliban, and other men are angels when compared to him." When compared to other men, he is as hateful as Caliban. Ferdinand is as hateful as Caliban, and other men are angels when compared to him. Miranda says, "My affections are then most humble. I have no ambition to see a goodlier man." Miranda says, "In that case, my love is most humble. I have no ambition. I have no intention. I have no ambition to see a better looking man than Ferdinand." Prospero says to Ferdinand, "Come on, obey. Thy nerves are in their infancy again and have no vigor in them." Prospero says to Ferdinand, "Come on, obey my orders. Your muscles are in their infancy." Infancy means childhood. There is no power in it now. Muscles, there is no power in your muscles. Your muscles are in their infancy again, like childhood. In childhood, we have no muscles, He says, your muscles in their infancy again, and they have no strength. Ferdinand says, "So they are. My spirits, as in a dream, are all bound up. My father's lost the weakness which I feel, the wreck of all my friends, nor this man's threats, to whom I subdued, are but light to me. Might I but through my prison once a day behold this maid." He says, "So they are. My spirits are bound up. My spirits are bound up as if I were in a dream. The loss of my father, the physical weakness which I feel, the shipwreck of all my friends, the threats of this man who has subdued me, all these are tribal, or these are trivial. Trivial means of no value, useless. If once a day I have a chance to look at this lady from my prison, if I have got a chance to look at this lady, means Miranda from my prison, let free. People, he says, all corners else over the earth, let liberty make use of. Space enough have I in such a prison. He says, let free people roam all the corners of the earth. I will be quite satisfied with such a prison. Only I want to have a look to Miranda. Prison means nothing for me. Prospero says, aside, it works. To Ferdinand, come on, thou hast done well. Fine, Ariel. To Ferdinand, follow me. To Ariel, hark, what thou wilt shalt do me. Prospero aside says, my plan seems to be working. To Ferdinand, he says, come with me. You have done a good job. Fine, Ariel. To Ferdinand, he says, follow me. To Ariel, he says, listen. What else you will have to do for me? Miranda says, be of comfort. My father's of a better nature, sir. Then he appears by speech. This is unwanted which now came from him. Here, Miranda wants to console Ferdinand. She says, be of good cheer, sir. My father, she says to Ferdinand, be of good cheer, sir. My father has a better nature than the one that he seems to have now in his speech. He is not such a type of a man. This manner in which he spoke to you is unusual. He does not use harsh words. He is very polite. But this manner in which he spoke to you is unusual. Prospero says, thou shalt be as free as mountain winds, but then exactly do all points of my command. Prospero says to Ariel, you will be as free as mountain winds if you carry out my orders in all detail. Whatever I will say, if you will do it, I will free. Ariel says, to the syllable, to the smallest detail, I will do each and everything whatever you will say. Prospero says, come, follow, speak not for him. Prospero says, come, follow me, do not speak for him. Do not speak for Ferdinand. Exeunt. They exeunt. Now, in my next video, you will study Act 2, Scene 1. Act 1 is fully completed, and it will be the portion of your first term examination up to Act 1, Scene 2. Act 1, Scene 1 and Scene 2 will be a portion of first term examination. In my next video, you will study Act 2, Scene 1. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much.